Well, this is Duchess Bone China. June Bouquet is the pattern. Dates from late 20th century. D-shaped or bell-shaped teacup, as you can see, slightly waisted with this little sort of nipping in the midsection. Let's show you the marks. There you go. Duchess green china, crown marks, bone china England with June Bouquet very nicely in pink on the base. It's a very pretty little pastely pink and white rose design with backdrop of green foliage, really nicely executed all the way around the outer walls, and then just a little bit, tiny little bit of transfer design just on the inner wall at the rear of the teacup. Gilt on this particular one's absolutely in fine condition. It's an indent rim, quarter indents, just palpable. I don't know whether you can see them, but just there under my thumb, it just slightly indents down to give it a little bit of texture. Beautiful gilt decoration, still retained perfectly in mint condition as it was when it left the factory. That sits on a 5.5 inch saucer, is it? Measurements are on the website. Again, beautifully executed, just a little bit of decoration easing its way onto that central well where the teacup sits. Rolling gentle scallop trim, nice matching factory marks on the base, and 3 blocks of pattern on the side plate, round scalloped rim. Again, really nice fine condition, good gilt retention, matching Duchess marks on the base. So all in all, a very fine and very pretty pink rose china, bone china teacup made by Duchess. Period 1970s through to around late 1990s, and in really good fine condition for collectors. A really nice piece. We'll pop a description on the video in YouTube taking you through to the Vintage and Antiques website listing for this particular trio. We do have duos, teacup and saucers available in the same pattern. I think 2 of those currently on catalogue, but this is the only trio we've got currently in this design. Thanks for watching.